So chic. You're chic. Thanks, Queen. Says you. Work on something a year, 11 minutes over.
Did you like the music?
I do.
They actually work on you. I don't know if I want you to wear them. You're the most stylish people that I know. I think of my dad and I think of Bunny Millen, and it's so effortless and chic and not contrived. And that was the whole point of this collection for me. Started out with this idea of like a meditation on things that endure. When the world is so chaotic and full of despair, like, things that are familiar feel safer.